How we doing, everybody? It's Dwight from Russ Darrow Honda, and I'm here to talk about the 3 most popular vehicles Honda's got to offer. Come on, follow me. All right, first up, we got the Civic Type R. My favorite thing about it is the 315 horsepower. This thing's only got about, it only weighs about 3,000 pounds, so this thing handles the power very good. Of course, not to mention the very stylish look on it. All right, come on to the next. All right, next up, we got our brand new 2025 Pilot. Now, this was redesigned in 2023, and it has been a hit since then. Now, this one in particular is the Trail Sport trim level. You notice that it sits about 1.5 inches higher, more of an off-road look. My favorite part about it is that it has this aggressive look towards it. You get the off-road tires, nice trim on the side, very stylish vehicle. Not to mention that blue color. Come on, let's go to the next one. And last but not least, we got the brand new Touring CR-V from Honda. Now, this is Honda's most popular vehicle. People love this. This is the perfect size for your standard size SUV. Now, one of my favorite features, I'll come around and show you here. Now, as I mentioned, this is the family vehicle. Notice it opens up at a 90-degree angle. Very special quirk that the CR-V has. Now, this is a hybrid vehicle. Gets upwards of 40 miles per gallon in the city. Can't beat it. Got all the bells and whistles. It's even got a heated steering wheel too. Awesome. Any questions, please let us know. Come visit us at Russ Darrow Honda.